Hello everyone, I'm Ezekiel. Today I'll be showing us how we can upload the logo and Favicon to our Groovekart store. Now to get started, we navigate to our settings. Down on our settings, we see option to change the store information. Now we're here. We have the upload logo button and the upload Favicon button. I'm using an old store which is updated to the latest version 2 of Groovekart, and the least dimension Groovekart will accept is 500 by 500 pixel. Groovekart will not accept if your logo is less than 500 by 500 pixel. We know a logo is a symbol design adopted by an organization to identify its product, while a favicon is an icon associated with your website. It is typically displayed in the address bar of a browser, if you would notice that, more like a small icon at each tabs of the browser. So we go directly to upload a logo. We're going to be using the Groovekart logo which I have saved on my computer. Okay, here it is. Groovekart gives us option to crop or upload directly the full image. Now I would always crop because I would want to eliminate the white space that is surrounding the logo. This makes the logo more enlarged on the Groovekart store, other than making it appear far away. So I would crop. When you see the plus sign, it's showing you can start crop. Should be careful not to crop part of the logo. So you click crop, it appears down below, then you click save. Now this is saved. It appears at the upload logo box. Now when saving a favicon, to generate a favicon, if you have a icon generated already and the icon appears to be more like a large size, I use a website called smallseo-tools.com. This website has a list of tools where you can generate, which the Favicon Generator is part of, where you can generate favicon for your store. It's going to provide a zip file that contains different dimensions of favicon that could be uploaded on a site as they may accept. So down we have a Favicon generator right here. So clicking on the Favicon generator, you just need to upload your designed icon, or if you want to use the store's logo. Not just for my computer, the same Groovekart logo. Then down to generate favicon. Now the result is shown below. Then you just have to download. This is going to be a zip file which you would need to extract. I'm going to rename this. You might want to rename yours. I'm going to rename this to favicon. So we have our zip file open. I'm going to be extracting the favicon folder to my to my computer folder. So we have that extracted already. So I just need to click upload. Then navigate to the favicon folder. Yeah, I think it's up. Yes. So we have different dimensions of favicon, but I would always go with the least. The icon, the favicon with the least dimension, which is the 16 by 16 pixel. You would not want large files uploaded on your store as not to reduce the store speed. More likely optimizing your store speed. So you can also fill the store name, the store phone, the store email, the store address, but it's important you still have a name and an email address. Groovekart always provide an email address. Then probably in our next tutorial or coming tutorials, I'll be showing us how we can enable our contact us page. Thank you very much for following to this very end. I would appreciate if you can click the subscribe button and turn on your notification button. See you at the coming tutorial. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.